This week, a simple shop-bought pastry thing with cheese, bacon, and some almost healthy sun-dried tomatoes.
Shop-bought puff pastry, because this ain't British bake-off. Some smoky streaky bacon. A jar of sun-dried tomatoes. Some grated cheese, whichever you prefer.
Preheat the oven to 200 degrees.
Unpack your puff pastry. Sometimes these can be hard to get into, as you may have noticed. Trusty knife will sort that problem out. Don't forget to recycle your packaging where you can. Roll out your puff pastry with this handy grease-proof paper it comes in. Place a line of streaky bacon along the bottom edge of the pastry. Sprinkle on a layer of your cheese. Don't go mad.
Grab a jar of sun-dried tomatoes and run a line of them along the centre of the bacon cheese thing. Now comes the magic. Start to roll the pastry up like so, into one large pastry, bacon, cheesy goodness Swiss roll type thing.
Cut off the excess pastry. Don't throw it away, you can make other magical things out of it. Flatten down your roll slightly and then turn it over so you can see the seal. Run your thumb along the edge of the pastry like this to create a small seal.
Cut the pastry roll thing to the size that you prefer. Place the smaller rolls onto a grease-proof baking tray.
Beat an egg to create an egg wash.
Watch out for stray eggs.
Ooh, chefy.
Egg wash the top of the pastry to make it look a bit more chefy at the end of it. Place into a preheated oven at 200 degrees for around about 20 to 25 minutes. Be careful when removing from the oven, hot things can burn.
Crispy, steaming, cheesy goodness.
Make sure it's piping hot and thoroughly cooked through before eating. Allow to cool and then tuck in. A pastry, cheesy, bacony, tomatoey, cheesy goodness rolly thing. I call him Jeremy. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, put a thumbs down so I know not to do one like this again. Ding my bell for notifications. Don't forget to subscribe. That's always handy. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment below so you can let me know how well you got on with this, if you liked it. If you want to make some changes, let me know. Check out our social media pages on Instagram and on Twitter. See you again next time, gamers.